Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. Today, looking at gold, right? For one main reason, which is this descending resistance line, we can see, it has been touching this descending resistance line a couple of times, right? And it failed to break above this level, all right? Importantly, there's also a very nice resistance over here. Price is kind of just testing that resistance, which will now be our sell entry, right? Click on this and be a sell entry, right? In terms of stop loss placement, you can play it safe. You can put your stop loss up here, give it quite a bit of breathing space, right, as a stop loss. You could also opt for a tighter stop loss, probably about over here if you're not expecting prices to weak that much. Take profit. We're not going to play it too far. Price has bounced three times from here, so we are going to expect it to bounce again. No, drop to there, but not break this level. What is interesting to take note is the Ichimoku cloud is also holding prices down very nicely, so we should be able to see prices kind of inch down from here. Draw this arrow. Oops, that's the wrong arrow. We should be able to see price come test this level, come all the way down to our take profit here. Okay, simple enough setup. Really nice momentum, really nice descending resistance line, really nice overlap resistance, which is our sell entry, right? And playing the price drop to a major support level. Okay, that's it for me, guys. Remember to stay safe, trade safe, and I'll catch you guys again tomorrow for more high probability trading setups.